In this video, we're going to discuss how we can make a transaction between two crypto wallets with the help of the Ether.js library using the JavaScript language, okay, programming language. So first thing is all you have to do is import the Ether, and before that, go to the dependency package.json, and then you have to include this line, and you have to write npm install, which installs the Ether 5.5.4 version. And after that, you have to import in your code, and we're going to use a testnet, okay, because I don't need to spend the real Ethereum for this practice purpose. So we are going to use the what to say, a testnet, okay, and we're going to get the provider, I mean the node, from the Infura, because it's very hard to run an Ethereum node. So we're going to make sure it's it's recording. So we're going to get the node from the Infura. So for that, we have to create an account in the Infura website and then get the API key. So you have to paste it here. So I don't want to reveal my key, so that's why it's bank here, okay. And then you have to import the accounts from which you're going to transfer the Ethereum, and then to whom you're going to transfer the Ethereum. So that two accounts should be imported here, and then the private key of the account one should be extracted from the MetaMask, okay, should be exported from the MetaMask. And we are going to create a wallet which takes two parameters. One is the private key of the account one, as well as the provider from the Infura. And we're just checking the balance before the transaction and after the transaction for the both accounts. And after that, what we are doing is we're just formatting it. Before we are just logging it, we are just formatting with the help of the ethers utils format ether function. And here is the important thing. So what we are doing is, it's an asynchronous function, you can see here. So why we are using asynchronous functions? So usually blockchains are very slow. If we don't really use this asynchronous functions, what it returns means it just returns the promise, okay, which won't be useful. So that's why we are just saying the await inside an asynchronous function, okay. We're calling the send transaction, which takes two parameters, to whom and how much Ethereum. And we're going to transport to this second account with an amount of 0.25 Ethereum, and that's it. That's all you need to do. We're calling the main function, okay. We're placing all this code inside the main function, which is also asynchronous functions, because we're using await, okay, in order to get the balance of it. So that's it. I have executed this program here. You can see the output. So previously, the sender's address, I mean account one has the Ethereum of 0.2, which I got from the faucet, and the receiver's balance is around 0.1. Initially it was 0. So after the transaction, so this transaction comes from the TX. We are consoling it here, console logging it here. And after that, you can see like the 0.25 Ethereum is then sent it to the account 2, and the remaining Ethereum is being in the account 1. So this is how you can make a transaction between the two crypto wallets with the help of the Ether.js library. Hope so it makes sense, and you have learned something in the Ether.js library. It's very interesting library. You can write smart contracts, you can read the smart contracts, and you can do a lot with it. So if you are familiar with this library, then it will be very easy when you get into blockchain development. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Paul American signing off. Bye bye.